everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry, my camera's a little blurry. I gotta get it cleaned. But here are the deals for Walgreens, February 25th to March 3rd. It's an okay week. I think it might be a little bit better week than the previous week, but we will see. As you guys can see right here, they got extra laundry detergent, 99 cents. That is an awesome deal. Usually that is what it is when you guys have coupons. So I would definitely do that. I like to get a lot of that stuff to donate because, you know, most laundry detergent all does the same thing. And people who get that stuff, you know, they should be happy. We got Scott's tissues and toilet paper for $3.99. I do know we have 50% off coupons. Right here, they got Revlon, buy one, get one 50% off. Then if you guys buy two, you get 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. We do have those Revlon coupons, and they do expire Sunday the 25th. So if you guys want to use those coupons, definitely do that deal. See if we can get some great deals with that stuff. So there is that. I know we do have $1 off coupons for the Pepsi products if you guys want to do that. Candy bars, 79 cents, or Arizona tea, 2 for $1. Those are great. Filler items. Here we got Maxwell coffee for $2.99. I know we have 75% off coupons in the 2-4 Smart Source. Plus there's also a deal in Checkout 51. I'm not sure if it'll still be there, but we will find out tomorrow when it updates. Yes, Campbell's soup is 2 for $3. We do have those 75% off coupons that you guys can print off of the Campbell's soup website. There's also a deal, and I don't know if it'll still be around, for $2 off Ibotta. So if you guys can do both of those things with the coupons and the Ibotta, it ends up being a 50-cent moneymaker. So that is a great deal with soup. Not much going on with like the food and stuff. I tried finding some deals for you guys, but not much going on. Here we have Nabisco items, $1.49. Now I do know some of those coupons in the past we've had for 75 cents off of 2, so I'm going to check and make sure we can use those coupons because those are great little snacks to have around, you know, in case, you know, the spring's coming, everybody's going to be taking road trips. So we got that. Not much else going on for that or any Ibotta deals. Easter candy, not the greatest deals, but hey, we got that. Right here's a great deal. Ziploc baggies, they're 2 for $4. There's $1 off a 2 coupon that you guys can print from the Ziploc website. It says if you guys buy 2, you get 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. So technically, you guys could get each box for $1 a piece, which that is a great price. That's actually probably one of the better prices that I've seen in the past. Not much going on with this kind of laundry detergent and stuff, but you know, if you guys really need it. Here, these are 2 for $4 for paper plates and napkins. It's an okay deal. I've seen it go cheaper in the past. They got some like little toys, 2 for $3. Licensed porch greeter. Look at that. 25 bucks for a licensed porch greeter. Okay. Envelopes, 99 cents. That's actually a pretty good price if you guys like envelopes. Here they have a prepaid Visa card, and you get $1 off. Plus you guys will get $1 off or $1 bonus. So if you guys ever want to like do stuff like that, you could. I know you do have to pay a fee. I know you guys do have to pay a fee, so I don't know, you could do that if you wanted to do some prepaid. Just don't do the gift cards, because if you do gift cards, you don't get points. But if you do this, you can get points with paid for things. Not much going on in the health and beauty section. Again, shampoo and conditioners kind of slow. Sorry, my son's right next to me, and you'll hear his little iPad playing if you guys hear some weird noises in the background. But they got this 2 for $15. There's going to be a $3 off a 2 coupon. Plus, if you guys spend $15, you get 5,000 points. Okay. Here, there's just not much going on with the whole shampoo and conditioner. Right here, we got Speed Stick. Buy one, get one 50% off. It's also Lady Speed Stick. I think we're getting 50% off coupons for that. And then if you buy 2, you get 3,000 points. So you guys can pay with points and get points. So there's that deal. Not much going on with the shampoo, the toothpaste, and the toothbrush. Here is the baby section. I think this is $50. You get 10,000 points if you buy stuff for $50. I would not do that deal. That is not a great deal. So there's that. Not much else going on with this whole page. You guys can look at this ad usually on Wednesdays on the Walgreens site. So if you guys need to go back and check any deals. We got some medicines. Not much really popping out for medicines. That, nothing. Okay, sweetie. Batteries, nothing. And then now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. Here they got the Gillette razors again, but it says you get a $5 registry reward if you spend $20 or more. Not the greatest deal. Nope. It's a better deal this week because you get a $5 registry reward just by buying one. So we got that. M&M's, 2 for $4 after the manufacturer coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Here we got some cereal, $1.88. That's a pretty decent price. Coffee, $4.99. Pringles, 3 for $4. So, yeah, it's going to be an okay week. Not the greatest week, but hey, you know, some stuff pops up behind us and we get to see some great deals. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all Sunday for my Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.